Hello, all my family and friends. Welcome to another episode. Happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to do a cheesecake salad. It's not actually a regular salad. It's a dessert. But my husband, this is one of his favorites. He grabs it and eats it with his meal, and he also eats it as a dessert. So, hey, I like it as a dessert. Anyway, we're going to get started. We're starting off with a 13 ounce of graham cracker crumbs and a cup of sugar. Just mix that up. This is going to be the crust. And the way I do mine, I mean, you could put it in a different type of container, but I like to just put it in this big old bowl. And I'll just make a crust all the way around. Okay, I'm going to put, I get the squeeze parquet, and this one here is 12 ounces. Is what I like to use for the butter that goes into the crust. So we'll just come and mix this up. Once we get it all kind of mixed up, then I'll get my hands in there and we'll go kind of make a well in this bowl, and this will be all mashed up as a crust for the salad to be poured into. It'll take just a minute here to get that butter mixed in, that graham cracker crumbs. Want it to all come together real good. It's going to be a little crumbly, but whenever I put my hands in, it'll start getting a little bit more moist to where I can put it into the bowl. Okay, I'm going to start patting this down like this for my bowl. Okay, this is pretty much how I get my bowl to form pretty good. Just put my fist in there and go around. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to set this graham cracker crust aside, and we'll start on the filling. I start off with 3 8-ounce of cream cheese. I got a big bowl because we're going to have powdered sugar and it flies. So anyway. The cream cheese has been setting out, trying to get it at room temperature to make it easier to work with. Okay, to the cream cheese, we're going to put 3 8-ounce of Cool Whip. So this one here is 16 ounces. I'm not going to put it all in. Just going to put enough to kind of moisten that cream cheese so I can start putting 3 cups of powdered sugar in it. So we're just going to kind of blend it up. Powdered sugar. I'm going to do it in about 3 different increments. We're going to go back and add some more Cool Whip and some more powdered sugar. We'll do that until all of this powdered sugar and Cool Whip is mixed in. Okay, we've got the 3 8-ounces of cream cheese, the 3 cups of powdered sugar, and 3 8-ounces of Cool Whip that's I've mixed all together. Now I'm going to put in 1 can of cherry pie filling. mixer up. Turn the mixer on for just a minute here. Okay, we've got the cherry pie filling mixed in with the cream cheese and powdered sugar and Cool Whip mixture. I'm going to take it and pour it into my crust. You won't be able to see me pour. I'm sorry, I've got to put the bowl this way.
Looks delicious.
Oh, yeah, it's good. Like I said, you can eat it with your meal if you want. But I usually make it a dessert. But they call it a cheesecake salad. So there it is, our cheesecake salad. We'll cover it and put it in the refrigerator. And hey, tomorrow, Thanksgiving Day, is going to be delicious. So there we have the finished salad. So I hope you try it and like it. There is one thing if you want to do, if you want to put in the comments of one of your favorite types of foods during the holidays. It'd be interesting to know of all the different favorites of people. But anyway, this is one of ours. So I hope you try it and like it. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.
Bye.